Hi, I am Manesh Herat. My registration number is PGUM MBA 2020-006. Here I introduce what is product differentiation. What role does it play in the determination of price under monopolistic competition? And there is no unique solution to the problem of determination of price and output under oligopoly. What is product differentiation? Product differentiation is the introduction of unique distinctive characteristic of features to a product to ensure a USP of the product. Here USP means unique selling proposition, and differentiation enables a company to achieve a competitive advantage over that other companies offering similar product substitutes. It is an essential marketing process that is of vital company importance to a business. Breaking down product differentiation. Product differentiation process may be as simple as redesigning of packaging to introducing the brand new functional features in the product. The differentiation factors for which the process is implemented include price differentiation and the non-price differentiation. Price differentiation. It means products in the market are differentiated slowly on the price factor. This establishes the price hierarchy for a particular product from lower to higher cost. Non-price differentiation. Products in this case are differentiated by from shape, features, function, color, customization, durability, quality or services. Types of product differentiation. They have two product differentiations. One is vertical differentiation and other one is horizontal differentiation. Vertical differentiation focuses on differentiation in a product based on quality. In any market, a quality hierarchy exists for a particular type of production that ranks product of one kind from a position of low quality to higher quality products. Essentially, vertical differentiation is aimed at differentiating the product in order to move up the hierarchy towards higher quality and use the trade as a competitive advantage to sell the product. Other one is horizontal differentiation. Horizontal differentiation is when products are differentiated according to specific features. The differentiation can be about colors, packaging, shape, flavors. Okay. The objective of differentiation is to develop a position that performs primarily by reducing direct competition. As the product become more different, categorization become more difficult and the product draws fewer comparison with its competition. A successful product differentiation strategy will move the product from competing on price to competing on non-price factors. These are some examples for the product differentiation. Organizations first companies developing games and Pirelli and Goodyear produce tires. KFC, McDonald's and Burger King make some type of foods, but they are different from each other. Monopolistic competition. In a monopolistic competition, each seller produces a differentiated product which is easily distinguishable from its close substitutes. Product differentiation and the role does it play in the determination of price under monopolistic competition. Product differentiation. In monopolistic competition, all brands try to create product differentiation to add an element of monopoly over the competing product. This ensures that the product offered by the brand does not have a perfect substitute. Therefore, the manufacturer can raise the price of the product without having to worry about losing all its customers to other brands. However, in such a market, while all brands are not perfect substitutes, they are close substitutes for each other. Hence, the seller might lose at least some customers to his competitors. In monopolistic competition, since the product is differentiated between firms, each firm does not have a perfectly elastic demand for its products. In such a market, all firms determine the price of their own product. Therefore, in fact, there's a downward slope in demand curve. Overall, we can say that the elasticity of demand increases as the differentiation between product decreases. This is the short-run equilibrium of a firm in monopolistic competition. This is the question number 2. There I discuss about there is no unique solution to the problem of determination of price and output under oligopoly. What is oligopoly? Oligopoly is a market structure with a small number of firms, none of which can keep the others from having significant influence. So, there is no unique solution to the problem of determination of price and output under oligopoly. Main reasons for this problem is mutual interdependence of firms. This is an example of oligopoly and mutual interdependence of firms, Coca-Cola and Pepsi. There are 2 to 3 major companies in the market competing for. So actions of one firm can influence others. This resulting in overall losses. So companies under this structure go for mutual interdependence and there is no unique solution to the problem of determination of price and output under oligopoly. So these are the preferences and thank you very much.